On behalf of Ed Blake and myself, my name is Gary Fenimore. Welcome to this HCD workshop here at Catapult Systems. Human-centered design is the latest iteration of requirement specification methodologies. In the old days, it was requirements by the pound. Software requirement specifications, business requirements documents, traceability matrices, etc., etc. In an agile world, it's user stories, personas, journey maps, and so on. But something has still been missing, with very few repeatable methods and almost always unpredictable outcomes. How many times have you heard a technology being offered as a solution without even a full understanding of what the business problem is? So if SharePoint or the Office 365 or any other technology that you can think of is the answer, what is the question? Analysis of methods applied to a scenario is a much better solution. And better solutions are much easier to implement because they're addressing exactly what the stakeholders describe. HCD is better, faster, and cheaper because of that. This really is an iterative process, but it's rather prescriptive in that the methods that we apply with human-centered design are the same ones used in different contexts. This makes it much easier to predict the outcomes because we know how long it's going to take to accomplish the ideation process. This will keep things on track and make our clients happier because they'll be able to understand what the process really is. Workshops are the key to fast evolution of ideas, and the pace can be adjusted to fit the organization. But using techniques such as time boxing and other things that keep the ball rolling during these workshops, we can be very, very efficient with our time. And you'll see that today as we go through our exercises. There are over 40 methods that we can use to accelerate ideation. This example on the screen right now is just one of them. They're all fun and exciting and easy to use because they're very simple. They all use very simple terminology and very simple visualizations to make it non-threatening and easy to learn for people. HCD is all about creating a shared understanding of opportunities or problems and their potential solutions. Our HCD efforts will bring all these things together in a workshop in a very fast and reliable way. And this is the fun part. We have cataloged in our research over the last year and a half or so over 60 business scenarios that we can know exactly how to apply a set of methods to create a solution based on the input from the stakeholders. So all of this stuff can be done in a fixed bid way with very little effort in terms of understanding what is actually going to be accomplished. Because the output of the workshops themselves are already defined as what the stakeholders need because they're participating and they are helping to formulate the solution. Additionally, one of the cool things about this, by taking, you've been introduced to Mural, and we're going to work more with Mural today, but all of this can be done 100% remotely. It's technology agnostic and it's valid for all practice areas. These are really important issues. And one thing that's not listed here, but obviously it's valid for all business types as well. And it's repeatable and it's scalable. And you guys can learn whatever you want to learn in terms of how much of the methodology yourself that you want to learn and do. Otherwise, we are your backup team to make sure these things happen as you need them. So I'm going to turn this back over to Ed, and we're going to continue our workshop.